Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Volvo Cars app for charging timers step by step clearly. Open the Volvo Cars app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. After verification, return to the app and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the charging section of the app. Select the option for Charging Timers. You will see an option to add a new charging timer. Choose the days of the week you want the timer to apply. Set the start time for the charging session. Next, select the desired end time. Review the settings to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on the Save button. Your charging timer is now registered. You can adjust or remove the timer at any time in the same section. To ensure everything works smoothly, monitor the charging sessions as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.